In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in draw.io if you want to make your diagram easier to read, match a presentation theme, or simply give your canvas a cleaner look. Changing the background color is a quick and useful adjustment. The good news is that this can be done directly inside the diagram editor in just a moment. To begin, open your diagram in draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, and make sure you are inside the main editing view. Once you're there, click on any empty area of the canvas. This part is important because you do not want to have a shape, connector, text box, or any other object selected. Clicking a blank space tells the editor that you want to change properties for the page or canvas itself, rather than for an individual element in the diagram. After you select the empty canvas, move your attention to the Format panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel shows different settings based on what is currently selected, so if you do not see the right options, just click a blank area again to make sure the canvas is active. In the Format panel, look for the background color option, check the box next to it, and once you do that, a color swatch will appear. Click on that swatch to open the color picker. From there, you can choose the background color you want to use for your diagram. As soon as you select a color, you should see the canvas update and display the new background immediately. This makes it easy to preview the result right away and decide whether the color works well with your text, shapes, and overall layout. If needed, you can try a few different colors until you find one that feels right. A helpful tip here is to choose a background that improves visibility rather than making the diagram harder to read. Lighter backgrounds usually work well for darker text and shapes, while darker backgrounds may require you to adjust font and line colors so everything remains clear, and that's all there is to it. Once you click an empty area of the canvas, enable the background color option in the Format panel, and choose your color from the picker, your draw.io background is updated. It's a very simple change, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and readability of your diagram.